What is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Today, my dear friends, I'm gonna be giving some tips of how to optimize a low spec PC for gaming. All right, it's really embarrassing sometimes if we experience laggings, all right, hanging while when we attempt to open a game or while we are playing. We want to play smoothly in our PC, but we can do nothing because of its low spec. All right, but there are some cures. There are some tips if how to fix that one. There are some cure if how to solve your problem. Okay, no problem with that low spec PC. We have a tip for that. Okay, but before we proceed, my dear friends, if this is your first time to visit my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. In this channel, I'm always uploading video tutorials about computers and more. Alright, so without further ado, my dear friends, well, we have tip number 1. Delete all the unnecessary files. Delete all the unwanted softwares, okay? Softwares that you don't usually use when you open your computer, okay? Delete those. It will help lighten the loads in your computer, okay? After that, my dear friends, the two things that I can recommend you to totally make or let your low spec PC work for gaming is that to reset your PC, and third one, to reformat your PC. Okay? I'm not going to show you if how to reset your PC in this video. A link on the description below if how to reset a PC and if how to reformat a PC. Okay? Well, I've also experienced before NBA 2K games lagging, not so smooth, or not smooth at all. Well, I've come up with a decision to reset my PC, okay, and it worked. I've also come up with a decision to test it with another device, the device in which I've installed a game. It's not smoothly working. I reformatted the PC, and there you go. It worked. Alright. How to reset and how to reformat, the link will be on the description. Okay? Those are the best cures that I know. Alright? I'm not that so good in terms of gaming, but if how to fix your problem as gamers, I have it. Reset or reformat your PC. That's the only thing for you to maximize your low spec PC for gaming. Okay? Again, link will be on the description. Alright, that's just simply our tips for today. How to optimize or how to fix laggings, hanging in your low spec PC for gaming. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've learned something and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.